State and local governments across the country are debating how to deal with this latest surge. This as health officials warn of possible future mutations worse than the Delta variant. As the number of cases rise across the South, President Biden asked GOP governors this week to get out of the way of efforts to contain the virus. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis firing back, blaming the president for allowing COVID cases to come into the country through illegal immigrants.
Why don't you do your job? Why don't you get this border secure? And until you do that, I don't want to hear a blip about COVID from you.
The president dismissing him.
Governor who?
DeSantis.
Florida, Georgia, and Louisiana account for nearly 40% of current COVID hospitalizations, putting a strain on their health systems and workers.
I've been doing this for a year and a half, and it feels like there's never going to be an end.
The surge comes with summer in full swing and local fairs and festivals cranking up.
It feels good. I got my shot, so I'm okay, I hope.
And a big smile with those eyes. Awesome. It's going to be a great year.
State governments are debating how to protect kids too young to get a shot. The governor of New Jersey today expected to issue a mask mandate for students K through 12 and school staff. In Arkansas, nearly 19% of cases are in children under 18.
Those children that cannot take a vaccine, that cannot have a vaccine at this point, those under 12, account for more than half of that percentage.
Governor Asa Hutchinson calling the legislature into special session, asking lawmakers to reverse a ban on mask mandates so local school districts can require them if they want.
This is not about a debate about mask mandates for those that can make their own decisions and have means to get vaccinated. This is a discussion about the school environment where schools can make decisions to add to the public health for their own school environment and for the children that they have a responsibility to protect.
A major concern, health officials warn the coronavirus could mutate into variants that evade current vaccines if the spread of the virus isn't contained.
And when you give it ample opportunity to mutate, you may sooner or later get another variant. And it is possible that that variant might be in some respects worse than the already very difficult variant we're dealing with now.
For the fourth consecutive week now, vaccination numbers are up. More than 70% of Americans have now received at least one shot, and boosters will soon be available for immunocompromised people. Jennifer Wishon, CBN News.